Akoriok ludo district alon Napak kesda mami lajaram kedai keche ibaren anode Eruruok lode rongo ijangi tunga ludo karamoja. Kopekwa na Akoriok kesda mami tosoma itimongi na nuda Akoriok nareja Akuria webe eminasi kokola kongesasi edu mutomi siri.
And most cows Lotome have gone. We have never recovered the cows. The army have tried nothing. We have recovered nothing. So that's why people are feared even to bring the boots for plowing, because they know they bring, they can't sleep tomorrow. The same night also will be taken.
The people are demanding the oxen to be plowed, to plow their gardens, but it was very expensive. People were fearing to use the oxen because they could take the oxen, like in Iriri. They took the oxen when they took the garden.
Like now, these stolen animals, they don't bring them direct to their market. They are black markets, of which those black markets we don't know as leaders.
Kaderara kaninito soma anuda kor ayalongongo nyezde polo do kwa nebe emine tengelo de nganyita konye unangunu do kwa notumano karuangon.
There will be hunger. There will be hunger. There is no any other way. People will survive.
Kopekwa na otomano Napak ajore nyesde jai daritido kwa na ibarenelo otomana boys anode sekuninintai konyedo John Paul Kodet lode relo C5 district alon Napak nyesde lipajora isukunyu ni ibarenelo ni dunyaskede ireriai loda itunga teterepa na itosoma paran kanuda Akoriok edolikware inyakare totomana idaris.
That we could allow the oxen to be protected near the villages so that the people are able to use these oxen for plowing. Because last year it was a bad year. So now it is just pockets of incidences that are happening, especially we regard it in Iriri.
Ejangunda etatama iponesho lude gitigita noda itame nyakuna ipuchine etomana karamoja konye mami bore utasa chaon ichoto manengare nokom chezde uomi tosebe ekotokina ijula ijene na ada ikaramoja achakara tukiti barnelo da ipu konye do monyete tenge.
We have to streamline cattle movement, cattle trade. We have to streamline economic activities. We have to talk to communities. We have to sensitize communities. We have to bring in aspects of mindset change and programs that change minds of people. That it might not be so worthful having 100 cows and yet you're sleeping in a grass-thatched house. It is better you have 5 in a good setting of a house.
The way out to be better for tomorrow, to the next generation, is just to live in peace. It's now my humble request to beg all the 9 districts of Karamoja to live in peace.
Eruruok lodo karamoja nyezda mame patana idwar nara ilole dumuno inapakina edolibo moyo ngesete ikisa kuitunga. Godfred Eyoku TV East Napak.